We are here at Knott's Berry Farm to celebrate once again their 100th anniversary, and we're going to do so this time with more food. And anybody that knows the Funnel Cake Blog, we love food, but we're here with our friends today, Ashley and Nick from the Mouse Vibes.
What's up?
One of my favorite channels. Now, they have been to Knott's for the tasting festivals, but they're really kind of Disney people. And we're going to introduce them to the new 100th anniversary tasting menu that they have, a full menu of drinks and appetizers designed just for the 100th anniversary of the park, which was actually last year, so this is actually 101.
Oh. What?
Is it 101th? 101st? 101th. The 101th anniversary of Knott's Berry Farm.
Yep.
So let's go on into the chicken dinner restaurant, and you have not eaten here?
Never eaten here.
Nick has not. Ashley
I didn't even know it existed.
She didn't know it existed. Oh my God. Cordelia is rolling over in her grave right now.
Yeah, that one went right over her head.
I don't know what's happening. I'm excited to eat.
I don't know. Let's go inside and let's see. And we are going to try that $55 Proudberg massive chicken sandwich today.
Yes, I can't wait.
So let's go do it.
Let's eat.
And make sure to follow them, Real Mouse Vibes, on all the socials, including YouTube.
Thanks,
YouTube.
guys.
Woo!
So for the 100th anniversary, Mrs. Knott's is featuring a brand new bar menu, and we're trying to work our way through all 15 of them. Whether we'll do it or not is up for debate, because we all have to drive really far back home. So we'll see how far we get. Ashley and Nick are big Disneyland fans, and we do too. We love Disneyland, but you know, Knott's is our home park. So I see they're wearing nothing Knott's Berry Farm. I've got my lanyard on, I've got my shirt on, did you see my watch?
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. 100 years.
100 years. So I figured they needed something Knott's Berry Farm, and I know they like to have beverages. So we got sippy cups.
What? Oh my gosh.
Cups, berry tails, which we have not been on yet. And then I figured, knowing you guys from the videos, I think you'd appreciate slap bracelets. So
This is awesome.
Thank you.
I can put my tequila in here.
Catawampus.
No.
Catawampus is a little woodanimal that there used to be a location across the street at the lagoon that had all these weird wooden animals, and there's one underneath, you know, where the big windmill is in Ghost Town. He's under there and he actually moves. So I figured for your next holiday celebration, you could have a Catawampus ornament. Now, honestly, this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. And the guy told me they just came in this week and people were buying them like crazy. Why? I have no idea, because it is literally the ugliest thing I've ever seen. But, you know, there you go.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
So you got your Knott slap bracelet, your sippy cups.
This ornament of nightmares.
And I guarantee you that you cannot get that at Disneyland. I guarantee you cannot get that at Disneyland.
Sure can't.
So Ashley, Nick, and Jen have gotten their drinks. So let's see what they think.
Okay, you guys, so I got the bee's knees, and it's gin, lemon juice, honey simple syrup, and a lemon wedge in this fancy little glass. I'm not a gin person, but if I was, I'd love this drink. I like it. It's good. It's not I don't think I'd get it again, but it's good.
Nick, Jen, what do you have?
I have the Gin Ricky. It is gin, lime, and soda, and it is delicious.
And Nick, what do you
This is the El Presidente. It is white rum, vermouth, orange curacao, and hibiscus grenadine.
I try it. So this is the mint julep, which is mint, bourbon, and sugar cubes. I don't know where the sugar cube is, but we'll pretend it's there. Let's try it. That's good. Strong. There's definitely alcohol in it. Let's just leave it. Yeah. Maybe we should only do like one of these, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so tell us about your Knott's experience on the roller coaster.
So my last Knott's experience was 2.5 years ago, and my friend convinced me to go on the accelerator ride, which I'd been on as a kid, so I'm like, I can totally handle this in my 20s. And I had these big drag queen lashes on, and right when we launched, one of them flew off. And I literally was like trying to like look over and find it, but I was like, is that gross? So I'm gonna go look for an eyelash that flew off. And you're like, I'm like on the ride. It was so bad. And then I literally just like took the other one off, and I just felt ugly the whole day. But that ride will always be the one that killed my lashes. And I wear lashes all the time, so I don't know if I can ride it again.
I got the Boysen Mule. This is going to be whiskey, lime juice, boysenberry juice, and ginger beer. If you come to Knott's, you have to get something with boysenberry, so I got this. Cheers. That's so good. Really tasty, really refreshing. This might be my new favorite drink here at Knott's.
So naturally, my selfish Nick trade me drinks. So this one, so much better. Way more refreshing, really cold, and the presentation is nice. And this is why I don't have children.
Thank you. All right, so this is Boysenberry Moonshine, and it's down at the bottom. It's moonshine, lemon juice, boysenberry, sugar, mint, ginger beer, and grenadine. And it's got some real boysenberries in there too, so let's try it. Let's see. 6 vibes. Can I do that? Can I do 6 vibes?
That's a first.
Is that allowed? I'm like, it's really good. Really good. This is amazing. This may be my favorite one. So this is only my second one, but I'm already feeling the first one. So this one's definitely the best one so far. I don't even know where the first one went to be honest with you. Oh, I think it's over there. There it is. Okay. All right. Oh, that is actually
Moonshine is dangerous. That's like tailgating drinks.
And we have our garlic smashers. And then I'm gonna come right back with a few more items here.
Thank you.
This is a spinach artichoke dip served hot. Served with artisan bread, and then these are the garlic smashers. They're rainbow fingerling potatoes tossed in garlic butter, dusted with Parmesan cheese. So both of those look good so far. Oh, whoa. Look at this pretzel. Oh my gosh. That is a giant pretzel. And it's got, I think it has what, beer cheese and a mustard dip? What does it say it has? It's got a beer cheese and a mustard grain dip. Yes, please.
Alright, we got our buffalo sliders here.
Holy smokes.
And here, I'll share with these guys over here. We get some more sliders. And I will be back with
It has all finally arrived, and was he executive chef Luke? I actually brought, oh, here he is. Here, he's back. He brought some chips for us. Thank you. Thank you.
Let me know how you like everything.
We will. Thank you. So Chef Luke brought out all this food for us. We've got pita, or we've got, hummus with veggies. Yep. We got some giant meatballs with garlic bread. We've got 2 different sliders. We've got spinach and artichoke dip with fried pita. We've got fingerling potatoes, and we got this giant pretzel that will put the Pim Test Kitchen to shame, I think. Yes. Yes. And then, of course, I've got my moonshine. Let's go. Let's try it. And this is just what Ashley ordered. No, we need to order our food.
Yeah.
Jen, what are you going to try first?
I think we need a salad, something really light.
Some roughage?
Yeah.
All right, Nick, what looks good to you?
The meatballs.
Meatballs. Ashley, what do you want first?
This chicken slider.
Slider. And other Nick?
I want the other chicken slider.
The other chicken slider. 1 slider for each Nick. How about that?
Yes,
there we
perfect.
go.
And now I'm trying this meatball. Wow. That is good. Holy smokes, that is bomb. I didn't get the bread with it. It doesn't need it. It's really juicy and it's really tasty, and that sauce is so good. This is 25 vibes. Yes, get the meatballs, 100%.
Nick is trying the meatball as well. Let's see if he likes it as much as Ashley.
Definitely.
Right?
The meatball's good, the marinaro's good.
So 12-ounce chicken breast pounded out. Depends on how hungry you are. You know, you could say 2 to 4 people. I've had 1 guy eat it. Just kind of depends. And then as much fries as I can put on the space that we have left on there. So we kind of got them in Boysenberry 2019 when I came out here trying to bring them these big, like, fried tenderloin things like we did the Berry Beast back in 2019. So now they kind of like, well, we can make them that big. I was like, yeah, we do this all the time in Iowa.
That looks good.
Thank you very much.
right. So when I first came over here to Knott's, I came only to work only in the summer, just to help me out a little bit, yeah. And 35 years later, summer is still here.
That's amazing.
The summer is still here. It hasn't gone away. So.
That's amazing.
Well, we enjoy your food. Thank you so much, Chef Bobby.
Hey, enjoy this. See? Look. It's my face.
Everything was good though. Everything was good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cool, thank you.
How was the hummus?
Oh, the hummus was delicious.
Fresh,
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Super fresh.
Cool.
The dipping sauces were
Oh yeah, they're both really good. So we're about to dig into the Proud Bird. It is 12-ounce hand-breaded chicken breast, lettuce, pickles, and mayos on a Hawaiian bun. And Chef Luke and Chef Bobby both came out to present it to us. And Chef Luke came out with this giant knife that was kind of scary. I know Ashley doesn't like Scary Farm or Horror Nights, so she hid under the table when the knife came out. But it looks good, and Nick has got a piece, and so does Ashley. Have you tried it yet?
Not yet.
So we're gonna dig in and see what it tastes like.
Oh my god. 5 vibes, so good. So good. Got the pickle, the mayo, the bread is super soft and fresh, and the lettuce isn't wilted even though it's a hot sandwich. I would definitely order this if you're coming with your family. This is really good. 5 vibes.
Oh, it's like awesome. The bread is good, the chicken's good, everything about it's good.
Let's see what we got here.
Try the Proud Bird.
It's kind of big. I dropped a pickle. Let's try this. Five.
Ready to try the Proud Bird here? Let's see what it tastes like. That is good. The bun, the chicken is like perfectly like pounded out, so it's not like overly thick. Perfectly breaded. Very good.
This one is the grasshopper. It's creme de cacao, green creme de menthe, and cream. Yeah, just like an Andy Mints with alcohol.
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome.
This is the best drink. That's the one. That is the one. I've never had moonshine. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, but that is bomb.
Oh, moonshine's amazing.
Ooh, man. Woo.
Final drink, it is another one of the Boysenberry Moonshine. And we did not all make it through the 15 drinks. I'm very disappointed in ourselves, but we were all very responsible. And let me taste this one. I didn't taste everybody else's, but I will say the Moonshine and the Boysenberry Mule are probably a safe bet if you want to try one of these. That's what we would recommend. Do we all kind of agree?
Absolutely.
So that was our first video with Mouse Vibes. We hope you enjoyed it. What was your favorite item? We had a ton of food.
The big chicken sandwich, it just looked so good, and then your moonshine drink was the best.
The Boysenberry Mule was awesome too. That was so much fun. That chicken sandwich though, we're gonna have some leftovers.
They're bringing half of it home. That's how big it was. People were complaining on Facebook about the price, $55, but it's like for 4 to 6 people. We had 5 and you're taking half of it home. So it's definitely a good deal.
Tremendous value.
Shout out to Michael, our server. He was awesome. Chef Bobby Abiso came out, the executive chef. Chef Luke came out with his big knife. Sheila, the restaurant manager. Can't say enough about the staff here at Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant. Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you for giving us our first big Knott's experience. We had no idea. I had no idea any of this existed, and I really liked it, and we want to come back.
Yeah, it was awesome. First class service.
That's a wrap here from Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant. Had a great time celebrating their 100th anniversary with their special bar menu, that Proudberg massive chicken sandwich, and all the
so delicious.
It was very good.
Really, really good chicken sandwich.
And all their special drinks. I'm very, very disappointed in the two of you that we didn't get through all 15 drinks.
Yeah, well, we tried.
Tomorrow's another day.
We'll come
Still
back
had more than you.
We'll come back tomorrow.
Yes.
So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. You can also follow us on social media at theFUNnelCakeBlog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And don't forget to follow Nick and Ashley at House Vibes on all the socials. And they have a really cool TikTok, but TikTok, and their YouTube. But we'll put it down below and put it in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.